Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to read the Income Tax Act. We'll begin by demystifying its complex structure, helping you navigate through its various parts and schedules with ease. This systematic approach will empower you to confidently interpret the legal provisions. Our goal is to transform a potentially daunting task into a manageable and understandable process, ensuring you grasp the core principles and specific details of tax law. The Income Tax Act is organized into several distinct parts, each covering a broad area of taxation. Within these parts, you'll find numerous sections, often numbering in the hundreds, which are the core legal provisions. Each section can have multiple subsections, sometimes up to 10 or more, and these may contain further clauses or provisos. Additionally, the Act includes various schedules, which offer detailed lists, rates, or computational rules, providing essential supplementary information. When reading, pay close attention to the definition section, usually found at the beginning, as it defines crucial terms used throughout the Act. Provisos, often starting with provided that, are critical as they can add conditions or exceptions to a general rule. Explanations further clarify the legislative intent behind a section, ensuring proper interpretation. Sometimes, you'll find illustrations that offer concrete examples, helping you understand how a particular provision applies in real-world scenarios. To read effectively, start by understanding the main section's core principle before delving into its intricate details. Next, meticulously review all associated subsections and clauses, as they often contain vital conditions or exceptions. Always cross-reference with other relevant sections or rules mentioned, as tax law is interconnected. For complex areas, consulting reliable commentaries or judicial pronouncements can offer invaluable insights, helping you navigate ambiguities and apply the law correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.